Okay, so what you'll need for this marble notebook is a composition notebook, washi tape of your choice, and marble contact paper. Contact paper is paper which is like a huge sticker. So the first thing we're going to do is cover the front and back of our composition notebook. So here I have cut the contact paper down to size, and I'm going to attach it to this notebook. One long edge and connect it to the long side, and do not go over the line. Do this slowly so you can reduce the amount of air bubbles you have. Now here's the excess, and open up your cover and fold the excess in. Okay, now when you're done with your bag, flip it over to the front and choose your washi tape. So here I'm going to use this gold one with pink stripes, and put it along your binding and contact paper so it'll cover up any imperfections. Open the cover and tuck in the excess in. Now repeat the same to the back. Okay, and that's it for this marble DIY notebook. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!